My name's Leanne Wood and I'm the leader of Plaid Cymru. On Nurses Day, I want to thank all nurses for the vital part they play in the NHS in Wales. Nurses are the glue that holds together our health service. Nurses have told us that often they just want the freedom and resources to get on with their jobs, and they don't want to be tied down by paperwork and red tape. That's why Plaid Cymru wants nurses in Wales to have the freedom to care for patients that would put nurses, not managers, in charge of the ward. We've also been told that the most experienced nurses are being lost as a result of cuts and the downgrading of hospitals. That's why Plaid Cymru has supported campaigns led by doctors and nurses against the downgrading of hospitals and the loss of jobs in the NHS. And student nurses have told us how vital the nursing bursary is in enabling them to train as nurses. That is why we opposed the abolition of the nursing bursary. But we know we can do more. That's why, on Nurses Day, we want to continue talking to you, the nurses, about which policies you think would be beneficial for the NHS. We look forward to hearing from you. Leanne Wood ydw I, arweinydd Plaid Cymru. Ar y ddiwrnod y nyrsys, hoffwn ni ddiolch i nyrsys am y rôl pwysig maen nhw'n chwarae yn y gwasanaeth iechyd. Maen nhw'n hanfodol bwysig i'r gwasanaeth iechyd ac i iechyd bob un ohonom. Dyma pam ein bod ni eisiau cario ymlaen i siarad â chi, y nyrsys, am sut ydych chi'n meddwl y gallwn ni wella'r gwasanaeth iechyd. Rydyn ni'n edrych ymlaen i glywed wrthoch chi.